in our ever never-ending search to try and speak to everyone involved in this case. We're trying to call Mr. David tonight because we want to hear what he has to say.
Yes.
So, yeah.
You did talk to him one time, but he didn't really have a lot to say. So this is attempt number 2.
Yes, it was.
Get him to talk more.
It was actually interesting because Mr. David actually messaged me on Facebook, said he wanted to talk, and gave me his number. So I called him, only to find out that he was just wanting to tell me that he didn't want to talk. Mm-hmm. So, all right. Well, we're going to try and call him again. Here goes nothing. Oh. You have questions in mind? Yes, we should have talked about that. I don't actually expect him to talk to us.
I don't think he'll answer, or he won't.
Let's find out.
It's been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
What?
David Kraft
is not available.
Okay. So it went immediately to voicemail. Mm-hmm. So maybe he's on the other line, so we'll try him again in a little bit. In the meantime, we'll go with Mr. Jerry.
Forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
No answer. Okay. Well, David, Jerry, Matt, Jimmy, we want to talk to you guys. We'd love to hear your side of the story. Mm-hmm. Just saying.
Yes.
All right. Well, we'll try again another time.